Hello everyone, part the hairs as shown, tie them using elastic, braid the bottom section, braid left section, spin it around into a bun, tie a ribbon, make a bow. Part hairs into 3 sections, tie them, part the bottom section hair into 2 and add hair elastic, merge them with the top section hair, use bun maker puff, wrap the hairs around it, braid hairs and pin it around, add a ribbon. Part the bottoms hair into 3 sections, tie them, make a crisscross, flip it up and join it around. Make a bun, now add a hair ribbon. Part front hairs into 2 sections, tie them, flip the hairs using tail, make braids, flip it again, make a bow. Now part crown hairs into 2 sections, braid them, add hair clip. Part the hairs as shown, tie them, make braids, tie side fits with middle section braids. Now tie all the hairs using hair elastic. Part the hairs into 3 sections, tie the top 2 sections, make 4 braids of bottom section, merge the braids with top hairs, braid the tail, spin it around into a bun, add hair clips. Part the hair into 2 sections, tie the top section, part the other section into 6, tie them using elastic, braid the strings as shown. Now tie all the braids with the top section hair. Middle part the hairs, part front hair into 3 sections each, tie them in a crisscross, tie the hairs, braid it, spin it around into a bun, add a hair puff. Thank you.